Let's take a look at what's new in the Dynamic Design tool and how these updates make pit design faster, more convenient, and more flexible. The first group of updates focuses on importing and processing contours. Preparing your base contours exactly the way you need them is now easier than ever. After creating the list of benches, switch to the Boundaries tab and generate isolines from the wireframe. The next step is contour processing, smoothing the contours and removing unnecessary objects. To simplify this workflow, we've added tools that automatically remove all open contours, as well as contours whose area is smaller than a threshold you define. Keep in mind that these functions work only with selected objects, so if you need to preserve an open isoline, simply leave it out of the selection and process only the contours that should participate in the operation. As you can see, preparing the base contours now takes even less time. Now let's add the contours we need, in our case the unique ones, to the design and continue designing the pit. We'll also add a haul road for better visualization and take a look at several other improvements. As you can see, the Settings tab now includes new display options for visualization objects. One of the most useful additions is the ability to customize the appearance of your project exactly the way you prefer. You can adjust the display of construction elements and virtual objects, including the base contours, the design wireframe, the crest and toe lines, and the ramp lines. We've intentionally limited these settings to parameters that don't affect the correctness of the design itself. Only color and line weight can be changed. We recommend leaving the line types unchanged. A dashed line indicates that the object is outside the design, while a solid line shows that it is included in the design. For wireframes, we've also added transparency controls, making it even easier to work with complex projects. And finally, let's look at an update to the design algorithm itself. If your project contains areas that must remain inside the pit and should not be mined, the algorithm can now identify them automatically. It does this by recognizing one contour enclosed within another. This rule applies only to the pit bottom, where this type of geometry is meaningful, and it can identify not just one enclosed contour but several at the same time. So, to sum up, these updates provide faster preparation of base contours before design begins, more flexible visualization while working on your project, and a smarter design algorithm that automatically identifies areas of the pit that should remain unmined